We have 200 acres of tea plant, which is situated in ground floor. Machine.
Yeah.
This vibration machine.
Oh my.
Sri Lanka producing 3 variety of tea.
पिज्जा होटल हाम्रो अहिले खाना खाने दिउँसोको लन्च हेलिकप्टर पनि राखेको छ धर्मपाल खुला गएर महात्मा गान्धी युरोप देखिने है यो घरहरू है यस्तो युरोप फिल लाग्ने ठाउँ तपाईँलाई थाहा हुन्छ नि तर अरू मान्छेहरूलाई थाहा हुँदैन अनि अरूहरू त्यो 10 किलो बोकेर हिँड्न थाल्छन् नि चिया बगान जताततै चिया बगान के यस्तो इलाम नै यस्तो हजारवटा छैन कति मारे
1 करोड जगुर 50 लाख भन्छ
जगुर भन्ने गाडी
यो जगुर आउँछ र यहाँ आउनु होला
राम्रो टी भन्यो Where you will take us? Yeah, so sweet face.
Yeah, and We are at altitude of 1,285 meters above in sea level
Yeah.
and high up into the mountain range.
Yeah.
This is Bluefield signboard, sir, and this is 100 years old factory.
100-year-old factory. Oh, let's see that factory.
The two people.
Yeah, the two people are our brother from different father, different mother. They will come. Today our guide. What's your name, please?
I am Lakshika, sir.
Latsika. Yeah, so sweet face.
Yeah. And we are at altitude of 1,285 meters above in sea level
Yeah.
and high up into the mountain range.
Yeah.
This is Bluefield signboard, sir, and this is 100 years old factory.
100-year-old factory. Oh, let's see that factory.
We have 200 acres of tea plant.
200 acre.
Yeah.
Oh my
And
God.
150 tea pluckers.
Tea pluckers.
Yeah. The each pluckers plucking in per day 20 kilo.
20 kilo they
At
produce.
morning 8 o'clock and in evening 4 o'clock.
Daytime free.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sorry, sir. 8 to 4.
8 to 4.
Yeah.
Ah,
एकजनाले 20 किलो
good.
The pluckers plucking only hands, not use scissors or machines.
Ah, they use by
Yeah.
hand.
And
Very
pluckers
good.
only humans, not gents. Only women.
Why you focus in Oman to take all the tea? As there
Yeah,
any
women are strong.
लेबर कफ
and boys are not strong? Yeah, that.
And Sri Lanka producing 3 variety of tea: black tea, white tea, green tea. This factory only producing black tea,
Black tea.
and white tea, green tea producing other factory.
Other factory. Yeah.
Steps, sir.
Yeah, stay. Thank you. Oh my God! Don't drink beer.
And this is the black tea first process, first
Ah.
step. This is called withering. Withering is a process to remove the moisture contents by 40%. The length of the trough is 80 feet and width is 6 feet. The trough is placed in other side of trough.
Yeah.
And the trough also 1,200 kg fresh green tea leaves. And after withering reduce until 700 kilogram withering leaves. And the withering period is normal days 12 hours. The rainy season withering period is 18 hours. During the turning in first 6 hours and next turning next 3 hours. Which is situated in ground floor. So withering leaves directly fall into the roller machine.
Ah, you throw this there, and it goes. Oh, good.
The rainy season we provide hot air from fire chamber, which is situated in ground floor.
Ah, thank you.
Yeah. This is the second process. First process withering. Second one is rolling. This is called roller machine. The withering leaves directly fall into the roller machine.
Yeah.
The capacity one of this machine 325 kilogram. And what happened this here machine? Rolling the leaves and break the leaves and twist the leaves. So come out from chlorophyll. And withering is 40% moisture remover. This 60% moisture remover.
Whoa.
And the rolling duration is 20 minutes. And what happened this year, and end of the process, leaves are come down in underneath. We collect the trolley and send to the next process. Machine.
Yeah.
This vibration machine like a filter. So this machine processes separate the crust and uncrust particles. Crust particles are come down in underneath. Uncrust particles are come forward, and we collect to the trolley and send to the next roller machine. The same roller machine. Again trolley. The crust particles are we collect to the trolley and send to the next process. This is called fermentation, sir. The crust particles are we spread the concrete bunk in 3 cm thin layer. During this process, color changing, increase the strength and create the flavor. This is called oxidation.
Oxidation.
Yeah.
And then the oxidation make different taste.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Create the flavor and change the color.
Change color and
Yeah.
change the flavor also.
Yeah.
Very good.
And this happen in naturally, so we call oxidation.
Oxidation.
And this process in just 3 hours.
3 hour one
Yeah,
day.
sir. And this is after oxidation sample, sir.
This is a sample of.
Yeah.
Can we put in mouth?
No, sir.
Why?
This is 40% only ready.
Yeah.
Green color leaves changing brown color.
The green color that is last
Yeah.
time you said throw one.
Yeah.
it became a black. Oh,
Brown.
brown.
Yeah.
And then it will be a black.
Yeah.
Good.
And green tea also same black tea process,
Yeah.
but green tea not fermentation. Green tea not oxidation.
Please go on, sister.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is called dryer machine. This is 100 years old machine.
100 years
Yeah.
old machine. Oh my.
Now working so.
It's still working.
Yeah.
It's very good. Very awesome.
And there are two big fans behind the machine connect to the fire chamber.
Ah.
Okay. And this machine have a 6 layers.
Ah.
We will put after oxidation leaves are top of the machine.
Ah.
Throw off the 6 layers.
Ah.
So 100% completely drying the leaves. And this is 91 degrees Celsius.
It's a 91 second.
Yeah. And this process in 21 minutes.
In 21
Yeah.
minutes.
And end of the process, leaves are come down in underneath. We collect to the trolley and send to the next process.
In next process.
Yeah.
Oh.
The black particles are leaf, brown particles are stems. We use only black particles, so
Yeah,
separate.
we want to see in your hand because it's you. Good. What is this?
Yeah, the black particles are leaf, brown particles are stems.
Yeah.
We use only black particles, so separate the next process.
Ah.
Okay.
All process is used
Yeah.
for.
Machine process is separate the black particle and brown particle.
Ah.
Leaves and separate the leaves and stems. The top of the roll is magnetical power, so capture the light particles. That brown particles are light particles, so capture the brown particle. Okay?
Yeah.
The all brown particle are come inside. This all brown particle used for plant or compost.
Yeah, this tea, I heard that.
Yeah.
We can use for compost, mala. Yeah.
And the black particles are come forward in front.
Ah.
That black particle only used for tea powder.
Tea powder.
And we collect to the trolley and send to the next machines. That machine's grading machine, size separator machine, big leaf, medium leaf, small leaf. Big leaf we call OP, OPA, PECO. The small one we call
OP,
dust.
OPA, PECO, BIPO, BIPO, yes. Good idea, sister.
Yeah.
Did I
And
say
the
good?
big leaf OP, OPA, PECO. The small one dust number 1. And OP, OPA, PECO, BOP, BOPF dust number 1. This is all black tea varieties. And dust number 1 and FF the same thing.
Ah.
And OP is very big leaf but very light and very light taste without milk and sugar. The dust number 1 very very small but very very strong and very very taste with milk and sugar. Okay,
Good,
sir?
sister.
And sample yes.
Yes. Yeah. Oh my.
Sri Lanka producing 3 variety of tea: black tea, white tea, green tea. This factory only producing black tea. We see only black tea process. And white tea, green tea producing other factories.
Other factory. Which one you produce here?
Black tea.
Black tea. This
one.
is this all.
Yeah. That white tea not this process. White tea only sunrise, drying with sunrise, morning sunrise.
Morning.
Yeah, white tea 2 different, golden tip, silver tip.
You're beautiful. This.
And this white tea, sir.
Yeah, white tea. It's a golden.
Golden tip, silver tips. Golden tips 13 days sunrise, silver tips 15 days sunrise. This is very very healthy and very very expensive.
This side. Yeah.
Expensive. And this green tea also same black tea process but not fermentation, not oxidation. And
Where is other one?
yeah. And OPA,
Yeah.
OP, PECO, BOP, BOPF dust number 1. This is all black tea varieties. OPA is very big leaf but very light and very light taste without milk and sugar.
Which is good for health? All or some you can suggest us?
White.
White, gold and silver is
Yeah.
good for health.
And OP little big leaf. This is also light and light taste without milk and sugar. PECO the small leaf. This is also light and light taste without milk and sugar. BOP, this is English breakfast tea, middle one, middle taste with or without milk and sugar. Dust number 1, the small one but very strong, very taste with milk and sugar. BOP small and strong taste with or without milk and sugar.
tell me about this your tea or something. If you want, if you will be here, and that will be good.
Okay, right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nepal and India.
Yeah.
So what do you want to know about tea?
What type of tea do you have here?
We've got so many kinds of teas. Actually,
Yeah,
we produce
tell me
black
like
tea, then
yeah.
we've got green tea,
Yeah.
then white tea.
Yeah.
So as far as black tea is concerned, we've got 6 different grades.
Yeah.
So one is an OP, PECO.
Yeah.
OP is actually much lighter. So PECO is light.
Yeah.
BOP is medium in strength. Then BOP-F is strong. Dust is far more stronger.
Yeah.
And as far as green tea is concerned, we've got only one green tea called gunpowder.
Gunpowder.
And in terms of white tea, then we've got 2 different kinds of white teas. One is golden. It is a little more stronger towards more stronger in terms of strength, and silver is it's in its original strength.
Yeah. And just sorry for that because I didn't ask your name and your.
My name is Irshad.
Irshad.
Yeah.
And your what you are doing? You are owner? of this?
No, I don't own. I fancy owning this place. No, but owner is not going to like that idea. No, I don't own the place. I actually manage the place.
Yeah, you are managed.
Yes.
And do you export?
We are not large exporters actually. We are retailers. We've got retailing shops. This is actually the nerve center of the company. Then we've got branches in Colombo. Then we've got one more branch in Unawatuna, and then we've got another outlet in Mamananda.
Yeah. And then how many hectares do you have land for?
We've got 192 acres of tea plantation.
192 92 land you have.
Yeah.
There you are growing up tea.
Tea.
Yeah. And tell us about the like Sri Lanka for me because people who will
Sri Lanka
visit-
is a wonderful country.
Yes.
It has got culture. It has got great tradition. We've got so many cultures, different ethnic backgrounds and living in this country unitedly.
Yeah.
So it's a great country to live, and we've got a great diversity when it comes to the climatic conditions. So all it takes is 4 hours, 3 hours to have a different climatic condition. So now we've got beautiful beaches, then we've got beautiful tea plantations.
Yeah. And do you know I came from Nepal.
Yeah.
And we did cycling.
Yeah.
And because we want to promote Sri Lanka.
Okay.
Like Nepalese people who welcome, come Sri
Yeah,
Lanka.
yeah.
We've been there,
Yeah.
and you have to also visit. And we want to invitation for Sri Lankan people. Please, you can also visit, see the mountain and ice and everything there. We will help you there, and that we are SAARC country, and then please come. That's why we came here and do cycling here. And then thank you so much. You gave me a
Thank you for the
your
invitation.
important-
We will definitely try to visit
Yes,
in the near
well-
future.
Yes. Thank you so much, and it's my great pleasure that I met you.
Pleasure indeed.
Yeah, thank you. यहाँ पनि गुफाबाट हिँड्न पाउँदैछ चाइनाको जस्तो रहेछ यहाँ पनि त्यसले गर्दाखेरि घुम्या रहेछ क्या टर्निङ त्यही भएर लामो फिल भयो आइहाल्यो हाम्रो नेपालमा पनि यस्तै होस् भन्न चाहन्छु या लेट्स गो